So I'm seeing in the news right here another very sad, unfortunate example of the simple concept of simply agreeing to disagree and walking away not being applied and not being considered. There is no law, rule, or regulation that says that you have to get into an argument with someone with a difference of opinions. And here, September 20th, Lake Odessa, Michigan, an 83-year-old female volunteer handing out pamphlets for right to life gets into a verbal argument with the farmer's wife, also an elderly lady. They're going back and forth. Farmer goes and grabs a .22 caliber rifle, and he tells media, accidentally pulled the trigger. Folks, again, don't get sucked down this rabbit hole where you're trying to talk over somebody, and don't go down this rabbit hole where you're trying to make the last comment, make your point known, or even act or try like you're going to change their opinion. Simply close the door. Agree to disagree and close the door. Throw the pamphlet away. Well, John, but this lady was trespassing. She was told a number of times to get off the property. Okay, and call the police. Well, John, stand your ground, castle doctrine. Folks, for those of you who are into guns and stuff like that, you should know by now that you still need to be able to articulate and be able to show that somebody was in imminent danger of grave bodily harm or death. And a lady, 83-year-old lady, just being loud and expressive and animated, in my humble opinion and experience and training, does not rise to the level of lethal force, not even a non-lethal force tool. But you do what you do. I'm just saying that this situation could have been de-escalated by simply closing the door on her face and going back to your TV and coffee.